Hi, welcome to Fluid Apps. This is Wilberforce. And, I am going to be taking you uh, through this episode. The main goal of this episode is to show you how QML works and how you can create a smart home temperature sensor UI using QML and a bit of C++. So I'm showing you how C++ and QML interact. So I hope you will enjoy and learn from this course. And you can subscribe to my channel and be notified of the upcoming in-depth tutorials and some fancy UIs that are coming. So just subscribe and be notified whenever those episodes come up.